The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Ishares 20-year Treasury bond ETF with the ticker symbol TLT. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I've seen in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for TLT, and I've been bearish pretty much since I started doing the analysis for this stock. And looks like we finally hit double digits and very close to a new 52-week low. We actually did make a new 52-week low just a few days ago, and we're probably going to continue to trend lower. And the reason being is that we've been inside of this channel since pretty much the beginning of August. You can see that prices are holding the angle of descent since August 1st, and basically, if we extend the channel, most likely prices are probably going to maintain this angle, and we're going to be seeing low prices fairly soon. It looks like we can reach probably the 90s or even the 80s, low 90s, low 90s and high 80s, probably sometime this year, maybe even sooner. You can see this EMA is going to be acting as overhead resistance, and we have not even seen prices near it, so this is a very strong downtrend. Basically, it's going to continue to break support, and aggressive buyers are scared to bid up the price. You can see that the pullbacks are very small, and just most of the time we just continue to move lower. So where are my price targets? Well, again, I do have this long-term price target. We actually have a large leg down right here, and then we had a two-legged correction, which marks the center of the pattern. So then I just drag this over, and this tells me where the next leg can go, and it's right around the low 70s. It's a very extreme target, but the lower and lower we drop, the more and more this target becomes a reality. It looks like we can do it. This target looks like it's going to be sometime during Q1, and as long as we continue lower and there is no support that can turn around prices, we're probably going to reach this target. So the prices will continue to drop until we hit some type of resistance or a very strong support, that the prices cannot break through. As of right now, it's been breaking through any support that comes this way. So pretty much going to see lower prices, still maintaining this channel and angle of descent. So again, a lot of bearish signs on this chart, no signs of reversal as of right now. So I'll be looking for lower price targets. Looks like we could probably touch the support side of the channel probably next week, and that's around like 95, and from there we probably see a little bounce. So that's all I have for TLT on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap it up on the weekly chart. So here we have the weekly chart for TLT, and again, since August 1st, there has only been one green week, meaning every week since August 1st, we've been dropping in price, and you can see all the red bars. A very bloody stock this TLT is. You can see there's only one green candle since pretty much August 1st, and most likely can continue the same way for a while. There was a similar pattern right over here where we saw a bunch of red candles, so eventually we did see a pullback to the EMA. So maybe a couple more weeks to the downside before we see the pullback. So I'm definitely expecting a pullback. The market is not always going to be in the same state. It's going to have to breathe. So even though I see lower price targets, don't be surprised to see a decent sized pullback sometime this year. Maybe we don't get that pullback and we still continue lower, but the longer and longer we stay far away from this EMA, the more and more a bigger pullback we're going to be experiencing. So again, this EMA is probably going to act as overhead resistance, meaning when prices come near it, it's probably going to reject prices. So still see lower prices on the chart. There is this probably macro channel in play. You can see that if I connect the swings, this fits against the price action fairly well. So maybe prices are targeting the lower side of this range, which is right around the $88 level, before seeing the pullback. That's another thing to take an account of. You can see that we pretty much broke 2013 lows, and now we are headed for the 2011 lows. That's probably the next strong support area that prices are probably wanting to test. I think we can go back down to the all-time lows for this stock, which is right around the $80 level. I've been saying that pretty much since I started doing this, and again, we're still going lower, so I gotta look for lower price targets. So I'll give you guys an update next week, see if we have any breaks of the channel, or prices are still continuing lower in the channel. So that's all I have for TLT. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.